What's all this talk about Wheezer Mountain? How tall is its peak? What would it ever take to reach the point of Weezer summit? Woohoo, no, I want to go. Woohoo, and I'm starting now. Woohoo, I'm running up it now. Can't breathe, I'm wheezing up this mountain. And there's many miles more. Didn't care when they told me not to climb it. Didn't care about that. It's my peak, but it's not near. My lungs need desperate help. My lungs are collapsed, my pants are split. I want to go home. Woohoo, but I'll still tread on. Woohoo, and I'm starting now. Woohoo, I'm running up it now. Can't breathe, I'm wheezing up this mountain. And there's many miles more. Didn't care when they told me not to climb it. Didn't care about that. Didn't care about that. Wheeze, I'm wheezing some more. Another big wheeze. Wheezing on before. Oh no, what do we do? Don't hook now. The pants have fallen down. My about snapped. They can't be fixed. How many miles, man? I've gone up 6. How many miles? How many miles? How many miles, man? How many miles? I'm running out of breath. Running up it. Can't breathe. I'm wheezing up this mountain. And there's many miles more. Didn't care when they told me not to climb it. Didn't care about that. Didn't care about that. Didn't care about that. Didn't care about that.